Unit 28, Part A, Activity 1B. Listen, check, and repeat. Receptionist. Tour operator. Entertainer. Taxi driver. Waitress. Bellboy. Tour guide. Photographer. Unit 28, Part A, Activity 2A. Copy the table into your notebook. Listen and fill in the gaps with the right jobs.
1. Hello, we're with this tour company. Can I have the keys to our rooms, please?
Certainly. Here are your keys. Your rooms are 201 and 202.
Can you ask someone to bring our luggage to our rooms?
You could ask the bellboy over there to help you, sir.
Oh, thank you.
2. Here's the money. Do you know how we can get back to the hotel after we finish shopping?
You could give me a call. I'll come back and pick you up. Here's my number, madam.
3. For this afternoon, we will stay on this beach. You could sunbathe, go swimming, or go scuba diving. If you need anything, please let us know.
Is there any food?
You could buy some food from the sellers around here. The free dinner will begin at 6 p.m.
4. Good evening. What would you like to eat?
I want some seafood. Can you recommend some good dishes?
You should try our fish salad and crab soup.
5. Hello everyone! Before we begin our song, we would like to invite one guest to sing with us. Please come up here if you'd like to.
You should go up there, Jenny.
No, thank you.
Unit 28, Part B, Activity 1C. Listen, check, and repeat. Check in. Itinerary. Attraction. Well-travelled. Unfrequented. Checkout. Unit 28, Part B, Activity 2A. Listen and fill in the gaps. Write the answers in your notebook.
Good morning and welcome to our tour. We are now heading to Kampot province and will arrive in a few hours. I am your tour guide for this whole trip and I promise to make it an unforgettable one. Now, you should take out the itinerary that was given to you earlier, read through it, and ask me later if you have any questions. When we arrive and finish the check-in at the hotel, you could get the key to your room from the receptionist and relax for 2 hours before our tour begins. If you are too tired to carry your luggage, you could ask the bellboys to carry it for you. At 7 p.m., we'll have dinner at the restaurant near the hotel. You should leave your room and wait in the lobby so that we can get on the bus and go to the restaurant. Tomorrow, we'll visit many attractions such as Sky Beach, so you should bring your swimsuit and a change of clothes. Finally, we'll do the checkout at 5 p.m. on the third day and return to Siem Reap. That's all I want to announce. If you have any questions, please come to me anytime.